Mastering kitchen vocabulary. Cover with a lid. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the essential kitchen vocabulary, focusing on the phrase, cover with a lid. Whether you're a budding chef or just starting your culinary journey, understanding these simple terms can transform your cooking experience. Cover with a lid is a common instruction found in many recipes. It means placing a lid on top of a pot, pan, or any cooking vessel. This action is not just about putting a piece of kitchenware on another, it's about creating a controlled environment for your food. By covering your pot, you're trapping heat and moisture inside, which can affect cooking time, texture, and flavor. Covering with a lid is crucial in various cooking scenarios. 1. Simmering or boiling. Helps to reach and maintain a consistent temperature. 2. Steaming. Traps steam for cooking delicate items like vegetables or fish. 3. Preventing splatter. Keeps your kitchen clean, especially when frying or sautéing. Remember, while covering is beneficial, it's also important to know when to let your food breathe. For instance, when you're looking to reduce a sauce or achieve a crispy texture, leaving the pot uncovered is the way to go. Not all lids are created equal. Here are a few tips to choose the right one. 1. Size matters. Ensure the lid covers the pot or pan completely to effectively trap heat and moisture. 2. Material counts. Glass lids are great for keeping an eye on your food without lifting the lid, while metal lids might be better for high-heat situations. 3. Handle with care. Always use a pot holder or towel to handle lids during cooking, as they can become very hot. Understanding the simple phrase, cover with a lid, can make a significant difference in your cooking. It's about controlling temperature, preserving moisture, and sometimes, keeping your stovetop clean. We hope this video helps you become more confident in the kitchen. Happy cooking! And remember, a great meal often starts with a simple step like covering a pot.